You remember the day that you met me? I swear it was yesterday. I knew with a glance that you were the question and you were the answer, that the world would make sense again if I held your hand. Someday you'll look back and I hope you'll remember the moment of truth when I knew who I was. How did I unlearn the truth you gave to me?
I will always remember that first stolen moment. There you were kissing me, and time seemed to freeze. Now I stand at a crossroad, and I stare at a question. If prayer were the answer, I'd fall on my knees. But forward is calling, and I cannot stay here. A parting of souls as I try to move on. How do I forget the dreams you shared with me?
I've never been this brave.
I've never been so scared.
I've never felt such honesty. A moment of such peace.
Understanding. Lord, knowing who we have to be.
Hold my hand.
Pray that
We're
you'll
forever you and I know you're here in my heart. Please understand that I tried.
It's not goodbye. The act is beginning, the audience waiting.
Stay in this moment where peace is revealed. Here in a world where there's safety in falsehood, I have discovered the one thing that's real.